We've got here a 1947 Willys Jeep CJ2A. This has been body off frame restored. All the components, nuts, bolts, everything looks great. Motor just purrs. Just a cute vehicle, great in parades, great if you're a collector. You need to have one of these in your collection. They're just great conversation pieces. We acquired the car from a retired Navy Vietnam vet, and it's probably a good time for me to give a shout out to everyone who serves in the military and has served. I really do appreciate all your services, and why not leave some replies? If you have any stories to share or any shout outs you want to leave in our replies, go right ahead and do that. I'll be reading them. And you can go to volocars.com. That's where you find all the pictures and information on this Jeep and the price tag, along with a monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy our video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you're notified when the next one's posted. You never know what we're going to get in here. For right now, let's go for a spin. Yeah, really done up nice. It's one of the nicer ones I've seen. It's shiny everywhere. The motor just purrs. Body was lifted off the frame, so the whole chassis is rebuilt, the shocks, the brakes, the suspension, using correct parts too. It's a correct exhaust system, not just a homemade job. It is four-wheel drive that is functioning. In back here, we've got this tow hook for pulling the military type trailers with the eye loop on it. You can see the springs and bushings and brake lines and all that has been replaced. The body is all repainted, and tail lights are replaced. Has the custom-made canvas top with the covers over the chains in the back. We'll open the tailgate in a little bit. This is a place, I think, an axe would go in here, maybe a shovel. But you can take it one step further and just collect some artifacts to go with it. It'll make it even a neater display piece. It's lettered up real nice. Got a little pinup girl there. Got the mirrors. They're the correct mirrors. The windshield does swing in and out. It does close, or the whole thing folds down and lays right here. You got the handles that hold down the hood. This chrome is redone. All painted up real nice. USS Lexington CVA-16. Now, tires are the correct military tires. For those that don't know, there's no, tread is not pointing because they didn't want you to be able to look in the mud or the snow and know which direction that the Jeep was going. They don't know if it's coming or going. That's why the tread is patterned like that. But all the tires are correct. I don't know what's under the spare. Wheels are painted, of course. The spare would be an accessory, I believe. So I might as well just open the tailgate right now. Great for parades. Kids can sit right here, throw your stuff in there. I'd run around town with this. People are just going to come up and admire it, and they just love seeing them. So I guess we will stop it so we can get the camera up inside, and we'll open the hood and show you that little four-cylinder under there. Yep, so it's all painted in here. You need to get some of the tools and shovels and maybe a radio, some old vintage military items would really be a cool conversation piece. Looking across the dash, the knobs, gauges, all very nice and clean, very functional as well. You can see the floor, all the metal's painted. It's a 3-speed shifter. This will be for the four-wheel drive. Excuse me, one's probably high and low. Original tags right here. I don't know if they came with bottle openers. Something would tell me someone's added that. The seats are recushioned, tan canvas. They have added seat belts. The center console just comes right out of here. This was obviously added. It is nice to have, but that is removable. And then the tan canvas top was made not that long ago. This does come with a folder full of receipts as well. I also forgot to mention, according to the title, a copy of the title we have from 1963 to 2002, it was the same owner. Almost 40 years. So the motor was rebuilt. It's the correct type 4-cylinder motor. You'll hear it running a little bit. It runs nice and smooth. They did buy a wiring harness for the car, the correct wiring. It is upgraded to a 12-volt system, has a battery disconnect, and has an alternator. The original would have been 6-volt system. Proper air cleaner and hoses and shroud and carburetor and the horn. Everything looks proper and nice. It's just a piece of metal vibrating. So there you have it. I mean, it's a pretty simple vehicle, so I feel this video is very short, but they're fun. They're just great vehicles. Again, parades, just cruise around. You're going to get so much positive attention in this vehicle. So many people can relate. You'll probably meet a lot of nice people. They have their own stories to share. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer any questions you still have. They can help you finance this vehicle, and we can get it delivered to your door. Go to volocars.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you're notified when the next one's posted. Thank you.